to
me.
remain in your vehicle at all
Lion
times.
Kingdom. I think he saw
The
me.
African lion is one of the truly
right
family animals of the cat family. They live in a family group called a pride. Male and female lions are tawny colored, with males having a light to black mane, which serves as a shield against claws
give him
and
some
bites
popcorn.
while fighting other lions.
He likes it.
Males
Put it
can
out
reach a
there.
limit
Open up. Give us some. Here.
500 pounds. Hunting is done mostly by the females, sometimes with males and cubs helping. During their absence, 1 or 2 females will babysit the cubs of the hunting mothers. Lion cubs are born after a gestation period of 105 to 112 days. Cubs are born with their eyes closed as they are not fully developed. After 1 to 6 days, their
What does
eyes
it think
open
it's
up.
eating?
The cubs are tawny colored and spotted. As they grow, they
Can't
usually
move yet
lose
until
their
he's
spots by
safe.
the age of 1 year. Some females retain their spots, although faded. There are lions
I'll
that
let you
live
know.
and hunt on their
let me
own,
know.
not belonging
You're
to
good.
I'm
any
good.